Are you looking for a solution to be able to get back to those messages on Facebook in a timely manner though, without having to be on Facebook all day long? I'm going to be showing you how to do something called automatic messaging directly on your Facebook inbox. Hey, welcome to Digital Dental Marketing Made Easy. I'm Natalia Porras, I'm your host, and today we're going to dive right into it. So first of all, if you're getting messages on Facebook, it's a really good problem to have. So congratulations, you're doing something really good on social media. But of course, you want to make sure that you are going with best practices, and that means being able to answer to those messages in a timely manner. Okay, so before I dive into the step-by-step tutorial, go and check out our video on how to add a book an appointment button to your Facebook and to your Instagram account. And this is super important as well because if you've started to get a lot of engagement and traction on social media, it means that you have prospective patients or even current patients that might be able to come in through Facebook to request an appointment. So go and check out our video so that you know how to add a book an appointment button. Let's get started with our step-by-step tutorial on how to add automatic messaging onto your Facebook page. Hi, okay, so we're ready. I'm going to be showing you how to add automatic messaging. I'm going to be going over a number of different steps, so if you want, just do a play and pause with this video, as you might want to be doing it as you're watching the video as well. Let's get started then. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Facebook page and you're going to go to settings, which is on the right hand side on the top. Then you're going to look for messaging. And here is when we're going to start changing stuff around and customizing it. So I'm going to be showing you two things. One is a messenger greeting, and the second one is what's called the response assistant, and that's where we're going to be adding and customizing those messages that go out to anyone who sends you a message on Messenger. Okay, so first thing is a messenger greeting, and it's this one here. I'm going to click on change so I could actually show you how it appears. So this is a preview. It's almost like a little statement that someone would see when they have the intent. So when they open up Facebook Messenger, they're going to read a paragraph. So it's more like a statement paragraph, and that's what I would recommend that you write here. You just write what you are about, and you have 160 characters to do that. And you could add even some personalization to that. So you could actually add personalization by using this button here. I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds how to do that as well. So just that's what your messenger greeting is. It's not even a response. It's just that first statement that people see when they open up Messenger and they have an intent to send you a message. Okay, so that's number one. So number two is, let me just go cancel here. I'm going to show you how to set up some automated responses, and there's a lot of options here. So we're going to click on go to automated responses. Okay, so there are so many different options here for automated responses. So I'm going to go over the ones that I think are the highest priority for your dental clinic. So number one would be an away message. And so here, what you do is that you're telling Facebook when you are pretty much closed, when you're away, so that a person could get an automatic response saying we're away, but here's more information about us. And you could go, for example, to our website to get more info on us. So first thing you want to do is you want to add the time when you are away each week. And so you simply, first you have to select your time zone. So for us, we are in Toronto time zone or New York. So let's have it there. And then we add some times. So for example, I'm going to select from Monday to Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We are out, let's say from 6 p.m. and I'm just changing this here, all the way to say 8:30 a.m. So that's when we are out. And so I'm just going to also add some time so that over the weekend, obviously we are closed, and so someone could get an instant reply. Okay, so then let's look at the message. So here what I've done is that I'm added some I've added some personalization to this message. So I'm going to remove this. And this is something that's really fun and easy to do on Facebook. It already gives you that option to add a couple of personalizations to this. So I'm going to remove it to show you what I do. So hi, blank. Thanks for your message. We're not here right now, but we'll get back to you soon. To get more info on our services, visit our website. So hi, first name, of course. So I would add personalization and I would just choose first name of recipient. And so you have all of these different options here: website, phone number, email address, Facebook page link, etc. And so at the end of this, as you can see, I've also added our website here. And so here is a preview on the right-hand side on how it would look like for when someone is messaging you around the time when you are not there at your clinic when it's closed. So this is what they would get right away. So I'm going to save that. Then we're going to, so of course right now you could see it's off because we're open. So it's off. That away message is off. Right now, what we have, though, is an instant reply. And an instant reply is a reply that comes in immediately as soon as someone messages you, then they get this message, just so that they don't stay there waiting for someone to respond back. And so I'm going to show you how to edit that one as well. So it's pretty easy. These are all very similar, but I'm going to show you what we've done. So, hi, Natalia, how can we help you? We're not here right now, but please send us a message and we'll get back to you promptly. For more information on our services, you can visit our website. And so here we added that personalization, or email us at marketing@nataliaperez.com. And so those are three personalizations that we were able to add on there. And of course, you save that. Great. So next thing that we are able to personalize is contact information. So let's see. If you go edit here, you can, so for example, if someone asks about your website or how to contact you, do I have a phone number? This is the automatic response that they would get. So it's pretty cool. So, hi, first name, to visit our website or contact us, follow these links. And so what you would do here on the bottom is that you would add buttons. So for example, here, the button label, so the action that you want someone to take would be to visit your website. And so you would add the URL to your website. And for example, we've also added contact us. And here what we've done is that we've grabbed the URL to our contact us page on our website. And so this is how it would appear for someone that is asking about your website or about your phone number or about how to contact you. Okay, so that's a really good one. Same goes for location. And so here the text is, we are located at, and this is of course our address. And you could add this label, get directions, and over here you would actually be sharing your directions, your map pretty much with anyone that asks where you're located, which is a really good thing for a dental clinic. So that's something else. And the last two that we have here that I'm going to go over are page recommended and not recommended. So page recommended is when someone recommends your place, your clinic, your page. And so that is public. So they publicly say, and there's a lot of this that happens, for example, in groups. So someone goes on, let's say a mom group, and says, does someone have a dental clinic recommendation? And someone else on that group jumps and says, hey, I recommend this page, and they tag you. So immediately that person can get a response from you. And so this is what this is. So what we've done here in terms of our customization is that we would say, hi, first name, thanks for recommending us, of course. We're very happy you had a great experience with the MP team. So you could add whatever else you want on there, but you're recognizing that they like you and that they've recommended you publicly. The other option that you could do is page not recommended. So when someone says something bad about you, they also get immediately a response. So, hi, Natalia, we're very sorry you had a bad experience with us. We'd like to learn more about your experience so that we can improve in the future. Thanks for taking the time. Of course, you have to edit that and make it your own. And it's a good way to have an alert, because of course you're going to see these as soon as someone has said, I don't recommend this clinic, and to right away send a message saying, we'd like to learn about what happened. If you want a step further from this, is you could add a button. And so what you could do here is you could add a survey. And so you would say, please take our survey if you have that option, and you would add the URL to your survey for that matter if you really want to learn a bit more. So that's really up to you. And so those are really the options that I wanted to go over. The last one is more for jobs, but in that instance, it's really if you have a job application out there and you want to be able to respond to someone saying, we've received your CV or we've seen your application. So I'm not going to go over that. So that's it. That's how you can actually set up automated messaging on Facebook. So there you have it. That was super simple to add. I hope that you really take action. That's why we really put together these videos. If you thought that this video was valuable, make sure to share it with your colleagues, your friends, your family. You could even print screen this video right now and share it on Instagram and tag us at NP Digital Marketing. Don't forget to download our freebie. This week, we are providing you a full month worth of content. So we actually give you the caption, the hashtags, and some photo ideas that you could use to populate a whole month worth of content. I will see you next time, same place.